Morning, Miss Abigail. I would like to ask you three questions. First question is, what is language?
For me, language is a method that we use to communicate with other people, conveyed by speech, writing, and gestures.
Okay, Miss, thank you. And for your second question, is language and dialect are the same?
In my opinion, yes, language and dialect are used to communicate, but its differences, language are broader and dialect is smaller and specific and often regional. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, and here's the last question. What is the difference between language and communication?
For me, language is a tool to communicate, but while communication is a process of transferring messages. However, without language, we can't communicate with each other. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Abigail, for participating in this interview. Have a nice day.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.